I've been exploring the Case Tracker mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Case Tracker for USCIS and NVC is a mobile app that helps people following U.S. immigration processes keep an eye on their USCIS and NVC case status in one place. It is mainly designed for applicants, sponsors, and families who want quick updates without constantly visiting government websites. The core features include tracking multiple USCIS and NVC case numbers, viewing the latest visa bulletin and NVC timeframes, receiving push notifications when a case status changes, and checking immigration news and a civics quiz for citizenship interview prep. These tools are handy for anyone juggling several applications or simply wanting reassurance without logging into official portals each time. However, it is not without flaws. Some users mention increased ads in recent years, with a paid, ad-free version as an alternative, and occasional annoyances like case sorting changing unexpectedly or too many general notifications that can make real updates easier to miss. Overall, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating from hundreds of thousands of reviews and comments praising its convenience and friendly touches like approval confetti, it seems to be a solid choice if you value simple tracking and timely alerts and do not mind ads or minor glitches. It is especially useful if you are actively waiting on multiple immigration decisions and want a centralized, easy-to-read view of your case progress. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.